Hi Air Signs, what's up? Kamusta kayo lahat? So for today, gagawin natin na yung reading for August 16, 2025. Sorry, it took a while before I release another reading. Medyo busy lang. I'm kind of like demotivated lately. But yeah, so for today, gagawa ko ng reading for August 16, 2025, araw ng Sabado. Tingnan natin kung ano mga dapat yung asahan. For today, Air Signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Tingnan natin yung mga dapat niyong malaman for August 16, 2025. Ano mga ganap ngayong araw? Tingnan natin. Also, please take note that this is just a general reading. Air signs, so maaari siya mag-resonate, maaari hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Alright. Okay. So, let's see. Air signs. For August 16, 2025. Just one more shuffle. Okay. Let's cut it. Okay, let's see. Ano ba mga ganap sa buhay ni Air Signs ngayong araw? Ano ganap sa buhay ni Air Signs ngayong araw? Okay, 8 of Wands. Lots of action. Possibly communication. Maaaring may mag-send sa'yo ng message, maaaring may gustong makipag-communicate sa'yo, maaaring may gustong mag-travel towards you, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ano pa? Thank you so much. You got your King of Swords. So, someone here wants to clear the air with you. Someone here parang gusto niyang makipag-usap at klaruhin ng mga bagay-bagay between you both. Okay, this could be a love reading. Maaring gusto niyang pumunta sa'yo and speak about something. There could be a separation that happened in the recent past. And gusto nilang klaruhin yon. Yeah, Knight of Cups. Gusto nilang mag-offer ng something emotional towards you or a romantic or either a romantic offer, okay? So, I'm seeing this person from being distant. They want to offer something towards you. Sino itong tao na to? Napaparating kay Gemini? Can you please give us a Gemini? With Gemini, diba? Aquarius. You got your Two of Cups. This could be your person, air sign. Okay? This could be your person, Two of Cups. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Someone na maaring girlfriend mo, boyfriend mo, someone na asawa mo, or karelasyon mo lang in the past. Ano ba nangyari in the past between them? Got here the Page of Pentacles. So, maaaring merong isang kind of like commitment na napurnada. Parang ganun yung nakukuha ko. Commitment na nag-stop. Commitment na hindi na nabigyan ng energy or nabigyan ng focus. Lapit lang natin yung camera ko. Ayan. Hindi na nabigyan ng focus, hindi na nabigyan ng pagmamahal. Maaring naputol. Ano pa ang dapat nilang malaman? Judgment card. This person wants to come back from the past. Gusto nilang i-resurrect yung nakaraan. This person had an awakening or a calling na bumalik towards you. Okay? Ano pa dapat nilang asahan? Knight of Swords. This person wants to come rushing in towards you. Gusto nilang, alam mo yun, yung medyo hadalian na, yung hadalian talaga na energy na parang gusto kong kausapin si air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Hindi, kailangan ko silang makausap. Kailangan ko silang makausap, mga ganyan. Kailangan makarating ako sa kanila at makausap ko sila. Ano pang dapat malaman nila sa sitwasyon o tao na to? 8 of Pentacles. Nakakita ko ng possible third party dito. So, maaaring may ibang kakonect yung person mo. Maaaring may iba siyang binibuild na connection or na-build na connection but they still want to build with you. Ano pa? Last two cards for this reading. Got your 5 of Pentacles. Maaring hindi naman sila masaya doon sa relationship na yon. Maaring hindi sila masaya doon sa connection na yon, and they feel lost without you is what I think. One last card for this reading. Thank you. Star card could be connecting with an Aquarius. They just, gusto lang nila i-heal tong situation na to. Gusto lang nilang ayusin na tong connection na to. Gusto lang nilang maibalik sa dati ang lahat. Okay? Bunot pa tayo ng cards sa as to anong status ng love life mo ngayon. So, let's see. Air signs, August 16, 2025. Kamusta naman si air signs? Air signs. Kamusta si air signs? Kamusta si air signs for August 16? Gather social media, keeping tabs. Someone could be stalking you. Someone could be like parang chine-check na yung social media mo, inaabangan niya kung i-message ka na ba niya or hindi pa. This could be you as well towards your person. Take it however it resonates. Ano pa situation nila? Cheating, broken trust. See, nakakita talaga ako ng third party dito. So, maaring there's a sense of parang nasira yung tiwala, maaring may ibang person na involved. Ayun no, maaring yun yung reason kung bakit kayo naghiwalay, maaring nasira yung iwala ng isa kasi iniwan na yung isa. Ano pa, last card please, anong dapat nilang malaman for August 16, 2025, romance feeling. So, meron pa rin feeling sa inyo yung person nyo, okay? Meron pa rin silang nag-aalab na damdamin para sa inyo. Alright? So, ano bang may a-advise natin para kay let's see, ano bang mensahe ng person na ito para sa'yo? Bonus cards lang, no? Bonus cards. Ano bang mensahe ng person na ito para sa'yo? Air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Anong mensahe ng person na ito? You've got here. You are the light at the end of my tunnel. So, nakasan nyo sa inyo sila nakakakita ng hope. Maaring nade-depress sila ngayon and maaring ang pagkausap sa inyo ang makakapagpa-ease ng kanilang pain. My beloved. So, maaring ito yung tawagan nyo ng person mo, mahal or what? Mahal, minamahal ko. My love, ganyan no, my beloved. Mahal na mahal kayo ng person nyo. O talaga namang you're the most dear for them. And can you hear me whisper your name? And also, this card wants to come out. Actually, we've been together for a lifetime. So, maaaring medyo matagal na kayo ng person mo. Maaaring marami na rin kayo pinagsamahan. Maaaring medyo ano na yung commitment nyo, no? Medyo mabigat na. Medyo hindi lang siya basic boyfriend, girlfriend, and boyfriend, gano'n. And can you hear me whisper your name? So, parang, ano to, siguro, lagi kanya naiisip, gusto ko niya talaga kakonect, gusto ko niya talaga na, magkaroon ng connection sa inyo. Maybe they're trying to connect with you telepathically, minsan nag-iisip mo sila kasi naiisip ka rin nila. Alright, so yun lang naman, air signs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, air signs. Have a good one. Bye!